Tired of paying full price? I'm going to show you how to effortlessly snag those sweet discounts on Sugargoo with coupon codes. First, make sure you're logged into your Sugargoo account. You can check this by looking for your username in the top navigation bar of Sugargoo. Next, let's locate the coupon section. Head over to your user center. Look on the left sidebar and then click on Coupon. Here, you'll see any available coupons you have. Take note of the coupon code you want to use and, more importantly, its expiration date, so you don't miss out. Now, browse the Sugargoo website and add the items you desire to your shopping cart. Once you're ready to check out, click on Submit Order. On the checkout page, scroll down to find the coupon section. Here's where the magic happens. Carefully enter your coupon code in the provided field. After entering the code, click the Apply button. This activates the coupon and deducts the discount amount from your total. Double-check that the discount has been applied correctly to your order summary before proceeding to payment. Look for the deducted amount clearly displayed in your total. And that's it. You've successfully applied your coupon code on Sugargoo. Now you can enjoy your discounted haul. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more helpful Sugargoo tips and tricks. Happy shopping!